Yesterday, the gold has created a bullish candle, and we can see that above 28 to 813.70. The price has formed a bullish candle where the price did not return back down slightly, only a small wick has been formed, and the price has reached the trend line, which is now acting as a resistance. And the price did not stop here, but we can see that the prices continue to rise in value in this day and also reach at 2859.00. This is a resistance level. Yesterday, inside the premium analysis, I have shared with the traders when there is a bullish breakout on the 4-hour time frame, the resistance in between this area of resistance on the daily time frame and this support, the price has formed a bullish breakout, which has been informed the traders inside the premium analysis so that they can also start looking and also trading, and also the take profit has been shared with them, where the take profit was here around 2859.00, which is the daily resistance. Now, what we can expect currently at this price level. First of all, yesterday I also mentioned for the traders inside the premium analysis that the price is currently reaching all-time high price levels. So what we can say that it is uncertain where the price could stop, and we can see currently that this is the daily resistance level where I have drawn this resistance line is currently forming a confluence of resistance with this trend line, which is acting also as a resistance. So this is a confluence of resistance, which means the price could found pretty strong a supply zone, which means a seller stepping in here, and also the traders that have entered the trade here, they're exiting their trades here, which could also significantly push the price down. Will it happen? I do not know precisely, but something I know is that I'm waiting on the lower time frame, like 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, for a breakout to see where the price will go. For now, I'm waiting what the price will do around this area of resistance, this supply zone. Will it make a bullish breakout going above, reaching again the next level, which will be 2878.61, or it will return back down, where the next support will be below here on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, much more visible. So if you would like also to see what are the 4-hour time frame support and resistance levels and the 1-hour time frame, feel free to check the premium analysis, where you get also this MT4 template for the chart. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.